Parc Asterix is a family amusement park near Paris. Here, you can ride roller coasters, watch shows, and learn about the adventures of Asterix, the star of a comic book series based on battles between the Gauls and the Roman Republic. After Disneyland Paris, Parc Asterix is the most popular theme park in France. Lastly, you will not be able to see me on the rides because I had no one to film me and I was too afraid to take up my phone. Anyways, c'est parti!
C'est rapide.
Nous, il faut se dépêcher. Je me lève. Ah non, j'entends pas.
Oui. Aïe. Oh my god. Je veux gagner quelque chose.
Bon, Julie, on est d'accord, c'est par là, ouais.
Oui, je pense.
On va leur faire signe. Oh, Félix, oh, Félix.
Oh, Félix, Félix, on fait
Ah, je quitte les cheveux.
Moi aussi. Ouais, panoramique. J'ai pas le m'écrire.
Oui.
Bah, après,
C'est... Non.
Oui, je pense.
Oh!
And that ends our trip today at Asterix. I'm super tired, but nonetheless, it was a wonderful experience. Here's a tip. Try not to close your eyes like what I did with the first few rides. Open your eyes and the experience becomes 100 times better. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you may always be notified when I make an upload. And leave a comment. Oh yeah, see you next time. Ciao, ciao. And I won this too, my baby koala. Her name is Koala. Ti amo, amor.